Shit, यार ऑटो मैचिंग wasn't ah sorry my
Form up
bad.
on me.
Not bad.
Attention here! No. Not a problem. Okay.
Legend cat.
यार ये लेजेंड्स कार्ड सब अलग अलग नहीं हो गया अब तो।
Enemies ahead. Let's go.
My game's freezing like shit, dude.
Let's
Are
go.
there way too many people here or something? Squad coming here with us. No, they went away. No, they're still here. No, they went. No, they're not. Never mind. Hey. Okay. Where are you going, dude? Pistols ये मेरे पास. 3 of them, bro. Nice. One more coming up. One more coming in. One more coming in. Yeah, they up ahead, up ahead. Team running, this team running. मारो उसको. Hey, भाई every direction. We just sit up straight. Okay, let's go. Oh, there's someone is coming up. Right. Dylan behind us.
Enemies ahead.
I can hear him. I can see him as well. Do you want to rush? There's only one guy that I can see right now. Okay, he's running away. There's a flare gun drop as well over here. They just called a flare gun drop here. Oh wow. Oh dude, flare gun drop is here. जल्दी से go. तो बंदे को मार देते हैं ना. Let them go there. Try and loot it. Hey, आजा. It's right there. It's so open. It's so free. बंदा भी नहीं दिख रहा यार. चलो. Come in the warehouse. Dude, there's so many freaking crates over here. अबे एक ही बंदे के पास है. I'm using a UMP and an S12.
मेरे पास प्लेयर है, मैं चला रहा हूँ, ठीक है?
चला दे. अबे यार रश करते यार. It's just I don't know how many guys are. चलो यार.
अभी वो आएंगे ना इस तरफ, ड्रॉप आएगा तो इस तरफ आएंगे.
अभी इनको मार देंगे. देखो have a chance to come over here. Are you coming? आजा। ओ एस ये दिख रहा है मेरे को। I can hear the guy. गिली स्लिप को छोड़ दिया वहाँ। Nothing, it was looted. They've all gone towards the warehouse. Warehouse, one guy with the DBS is over there as well.
Form up on me.
Yeah. I can see a guy crossing that side there, right there. I can't mark it only, yaar. Because my stupid thing. I'm gonna go and go prone in the grass. I don't think so, but I will try. But at least. I don't wanna get knocked. That's all. पीछे से बंदे आएंगे, so I'm gonna go inside this container and sit over here. Still using a freaking UMP, yaar. Took the honor, the normal there, he took it. M249 की bullets नहीं है मेरे पास. I'm here. There's he. Oh, there's he. Peeky from there. Do you see him? Right here.
Marked a location. Watch out.
Right there he peeked from.
Okay.
Here, there's one more guy coming. Dude, there's the guy shooting him. I need bullets, dude. I need bullets really bad. Come here. Where are you? Come here. I have him. Keep me covered. I have him.
Thank you.
Buggy चल रहा है भाई. Buggy चल रहा है. I can hear it. Dude, my response is not even being given to the game. Molly आ रहे हैं.
Marked a location.
He's here. He's coming from here. He's coming from here. South. Wait, he needs to heal. Adam.
I need consumables.
Yo. Number 3, take number 3. Yo, drop it. जल्दी से कर लो. जल्दी से.
I got supplies.
Just let him heal and then we'll all rush him, okay?
Okay.
But wait. Let me get some ammo, yaar. 1 minute. He's here. Yo, जल्दी से. Behind us. He's behind us. Yeah, he's behind us. Help नहीं है यार. ये सामने. पुश कर रहा है भाई. ऊपर से आ रहा है. He's coming from the top. आजा revive. I heard him on top. Thank you.
ऊपर गया.
Oh, I can see his head.
Let's go.
बंदे के पास ओम है. हाँ, बंदे के पास ओम है. Be careful.
Let's go.
नंबर 2 मार इसको. जल्दी से मार. ओम है, मारो. एक शॉट में काम हो जाएगा।
है किधर यार?
ये सामने ये
Watch out!
यहाँ पे था। नहीं से स्विच किया उधर।
स्कोप है किसी के पास? स्कोप?
ओ ये लो
इधर इधर इधर।
पूरा दिख रहा है ऊपर वहां
Enemies
से ये रहा।
ahead!
यार लेट हिम हैंडल दिस ना। क्या
ये आ
सोच रहा
गया।
है यार? नंबर 2
गया गया।
प्लीज। he's dead. ओए बॉट गिव अप।
गाड़ी में 10 हेडशॉट ओवर को गाना सिर्फ तुम रस्सा रखा रहे हो।
स्कोप नहीं था ना यार इससे पहले।
पता नहीं वे क्रैक ब्रो।
7 कीमो मिलेगी।
अब अभी सर
सेवन कीमो चाहिए।
प्लेयर ये देख लेजेंड रेट्स ट्रेन है
Let's go!
ये कॉम्पिटिशन दे दो आर्टिक का। फोरेस गिरा रहा anyone wants।
आ जाओ, किसी ने होम लेना है तो ऊपर आ जाओ।
Oh yeah, हाँ ले लो। Extended AR over there if you want।
I got supplies.
इतनी देर से
got
पीकिंग कर रहा
supplies.
था। He was just aching to get killed यार। Hey, brown bullet dude. Anyone? Where are you? Oh, you're up there. I'm not up there. Come down, give me. Now this number 3 पता नहीं कहाँ से आ गया लूटने के लिए। Oh shit! Dude, there's a car here. There's a car here. Dude, come down quickly. There's a car that stopped over here. हाँ भाई बस I know. Don't scare me. What's your problem? I'm down. I'm right down. They went in the right direction. Aja. I can hear them. Thank you. Take a minute.
Let's go!
Get in and take care of these guys first. They're behind us. They're shooting. He's on top. ऊपर है भाई ऊपर है। वो ऊपर।
Enemies ahead!
I'm keeping an eye on the guys that were behind. Okay.
Help! Help!
Back up there. Okay भाई okay.
Enemies ahead!
Go right there. Go over there. जल्दी से जा जल्दी से। If I had it, I would have killed him in a second. I don't have it. मेरे को चाहिए भी नहीं। This guy even stole all of the AK bullets that you even dropped for me. What's the problem? Huh? Okay, let's go. Abey, let's just push this guy and get closer so he won't be able to shoot you all. Best.
किधर है ये बंदा यार?
But who came in the car though? It's lying in one of the crates near the warehouse. The warehouse that we just got knocked at so many times. And the guy that I killed, that knocked out number 3 was just. समझ नहीं आ रहा था. I don't understand what's happening. So many bullets, but I don't know how to pick all of this. It's so much shit though. Yeah,
हम तो जिधर उतरे थे उधर ही हैं और बंदे बाकी हैं साथ.
but there is a buggy right here where that
Enemies
guy
ahead.
came from. ये बंदे देखो. Oh my god. They survived it all, dude. 5. How much do you have? Abul. Oh, buddy. Number 2 को सही वाला पड़ी. He got hit from city. Sniper के साथ M24. Yeah. This direction में क्या
Watch
कैसे
out.
कर रहा हूँ? That direction. सही वाला पड़ी था. He was jumping around like an idiot. पता नहीं where this guy is shooting from. I don't know where he's shooting from. निकले यहाँ से, we'll take a car and then we get closer to him. I don't know. I don't see him. Just scope the place, but be careful as well because we need to move to zone. Okay, chalo. Oh, see, he's closer. Yeah, M24 था बंदे के पास. I'll take that gun. Don't worry. This guy even steals this. I'm just gonna report him, bro. M249. अबे scope तो दे दो. You took the 8x, dude. Dude, give me the scope.
Let's go.
Drop is not looted, no. Katka. No one here. Yeah. Oh, yours. ये सामने
Watch
वहाँ
out.
पे. Right in front of you.